Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to remove Toyota RAV4 windshield wipers. First, ensure your RAV4 is parked safely on a level surface with the engine completely off. This provides a stable and secure environment for the task. Next, gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it stands upright and locks into its service position. This gives you clear access to the wiper blade. Finally, look closely at the base of the wiper blade where it connects to the arm. You'll find a small release tab or button there. Now that the wiper arm is lifted, it's time to detach the blade. Firmly press the release tab or button you located earlier. This action disengages the locking mechanism. While holding the tab, slide the entire wiper blade assembly down or off the J-hook connector on the arm. Once the blade is free, gently guide the metal wiper arm back towards the windshield. Be extremely careful not to let it snap down, as this could potentially crack or damage your glass. Support it all the way down. With the old blade removed, it's a great opportunity to inspect the wiper arm itself. Check for any bends, rust, or wear that might affect the performance of new blades. Also, take a few minutes to thoroughly clean your windshield. Removing any dirt, grime, or old residue will ensure your new wipers have a clean surface to work on, providing optimal visibility. Finally, double-check that your replacement blades are the correct size for your RAV4, often 24 inches for the driver's side and 16 inches for the passenger's side. Installing the new wiper blade is essentially the reverse of removal. Carefully slide the new blade onto the J-hook connector, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. You should hear and feel a positive engagement, indicating it's secure. Once both new blades are attached, gently lower the wiper arms back onto the windshield. Do this slowly to avoid any impact. Finally, activate your windshield washer fluid and test the new wipers to ensure they operate smoothly and clear the glass effectively, giving you clear vision.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.